you have your 5 colored sheets. If you do not have, it is okay. It's totally fine, even if you have 2 or 3. One more thing, if you don't have different colors, it's also fine. It's totally fine if you have the same color, all the 5 papers. Anything is fine, all right? And just make sure that your A4 sheet is thin. Some A4 sheets are very thick, but it's okay if you can work with the thick one, it's totally fine, all right? So let's start for today. These are the things that we actually needed today. So I hope you guys got your scissors, your pencil, your Fevicol, and your scale. All of you have it, right? So let's take today's first paper. Taking pink, it's okay if you don't have pink, you can use white, red, blue, green, yellow, any paper is fine. Okay, no problem, Samita. You can use any colors, all right? Any color is fine, all right? So let's start with the first step. The first step is you have to make a square of 12 centimeter. All right. So since it's an A4 sheet, fold it into half. Fold it. After that, just maybe we can just take your pencil and your scale. Mark 12 centimeter on the top, right? Just try to fold using this pencil marking that you've made. Make a triangle. And that's your square. Done? Yes, we need Fevicol. So you've done. Just cut out your 12 centimeter square. Okay. Also, you got your square, first square, 12 centimeter square. It's okay, Samantha, if you don't have colored square, you can even use paper, like a normal white paper, it's fine. It's totally fine, no problem. Okay, so made your square. Now you have to make 5 squares like that. That means you've got to use all your color paper that you have and make 10-12 centimeter square in all of the color paper. Okay, well, that's one. So let's make the second one. I'm going to show it to you again. My mine became 11 centimeter. Okay, if anybody's size has become less or more, make sure that all your square is of equal size. Okay, if suppose yours became 11 centimeter as you messaged in the chat box, make all the rest 5 also 11 centimeter. Okay. So I'm again going to mark 12 centimeter. And I'm going to fold it. See, this is my point, right? Where I mark 12 centimeter. Exactly bring the triangle there. And That's it. Cut out your 12 centimeter square. Before you cut, just make sure this side is also 12 centimeter. Yes, Yashika, I will tell. Brinda, we need 5 squares of 12 centimeters. Yashika, you just have to make 5 squares of 12 centimeter each. Okay? See, similar size, right? Almost like that. Don't worry, you guys can do it slowly. I'll wait for you, all right? Just make 5 squares of 12 centimeter. If it becomes 11 centimeter, again I'm repeating, if it becomes 11. Meghna, you can, using those two papers also, you can, see, like for this paper, you can use two sides, right? You can make a 12 centimeter square this side also, so you can use like that. And in case you still have paper shortage, you can use normal white paper that you can find at home, right? A4 sheet paper or any paper, all right? It will be totally fine, no problem. Yashika, good work. Ma'am, all colors 12 centimeters. Yes, very good. Yes, Ankita, in all paper, you should take 12 centimeter. Okay. Bhavish, very good, Bhavish. Just in case if somebody has joined in right now, So for their understanding, all right, I'm going to tell you once again. Just fold the paper into two. You have to make, first thing, you have to make a square of 12 centimeter. How to do it? Take a A4 sheet, fold it into half, all right? And mark with the pencil and scale 12 centimeter this side and 12 centimeter on this side, okay? Now, from here, fold your paper. That was the mark that I gave, right, with the pencil. Bring the triangle close to there. And on this side also, same. Just make it straight. Okay. Using a scissors, just cut it out. So my 5 squares are ready. I will give you some time so you can slowly complete it, okay? No problem. Atisha, very good, Atisha. Just wait for some time, okay? Let everybody complete, then we'll go to next step. Okay, Harshita, no problem. Very good, Dhruti. Very good, Ritesh and Hanshika. Bhavish, very good. Very good, Atisha. I can see you. Let's just wait for others also. No? So once everybody is done, like just send me a thumbs up so then we can go to the next stage. Okay. Ankita, no problem. Just take your time. It's okay. All right. We'll wait for like 2 more minutes. Then we'll go to the next step. Okay. I can see Ayushman all done. Very good, Ayushman. Very good. Harshvardhan, I can see all your 5. Okay. So let's move on to the next step. Anybody who hasn't completed? Everybody done? Anybody who hasn't completed, just put it on the chat box so I can see. Okay, Samita. Vidhu, Aditi. Okay, guys, do it a little more faster, no? So that we can all do it together, all right? I think I'll wait for like 1 more minute, then we can move on to the next step. It's very easy, just make it 12 centimeter square, no? No problem. Yes, Leah, no problem. Take your time. Yes, you can use white sheet also if you do not have colored paper, no problem. Whichever color you gonna use for this thing, it's gonna be fine. All right. Okay. So let's go to the next step, guys. Everybody. Okay. We are going to the second step. So take any one square of yours. You can just keep all these aside. Take one square. Okay. Now you're going to fold it into half. Fold it into half. Everybody done? Okay. Now, whatever steps I'm doing, right, you have to do it to all those 5 other squares also. All these 4, rest 4 also, you have to do the same step. So I'm going to repeat it again and again. So it'll be easier for you if you have missed steps. All right. So take your square, fold it into half. Okay. After that, next step is, once you've done, now let's just work on one square. Harshvardhan, later you can take your second square. Okay. Just fold one square into half. Sayuri, just take one square, fold it into half. All right. That's it. After that, one side to the above. All right. Just fold it to the opposite side again, like this. Understood? That was your square. You folded into half and just folded the other side. Again, the half of this one side. Everybody done this much? Okay. Bhavish, I'm going to repeat it again for you. Take a square, fold it into half, and fold again inside to half, the opposite side. Okay. Now, this is there, right? Flip your paper, flip your square, and again you have to fold this one, the opposite side. Okay. Same like the one before, but the opposite side. Everybody done this? So it's like, take a square, fold it half, again fold one side of the paper half towards the opposite side, flip the paper around, and again fold it on the opposite side. So you got it like that? All of you got it like that? All of you done this step? Yes, very good. Yeah, kind of like that. Correct. You can get like that. All right. Easy? Yashika, it's okay. When I do it next time, we have to do the same to all those papers. So I'll show you again. All right. People who have got it, please send a thumbs up so that I know that you guys doing it with me. All right. Just send a thumbs up. All right. I can see everybody's. Great work, guys. You guys are doing great. Okay. Once this is done, like this. Do you know how we used to make fans when we were like, when we were school time, right? So we make fans, right? Same way, just fold one side and the other side like that. The Chinese fans that we make. Yeah, same way. Great work, everybody doing good. Make sure it's small, okay? Some people might have difficulty while doing this step because the paper is hard. If anybody is having that difficulty, you can use a normal white paper instead, okay? Yes, Dayanta, I'll repeat the steps. Don't worry. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll repeat it, okay? Yes, Pratham, I will repeat it for you. So, yes, one I got. All right. Now, everybody, you have to do the same to all your squares, okay? You have to do the same with all the squares, all your 4 squares, okay? So, one is done. I'm keeping it far, okay? So, people who did not understand the step, I'm going to tell you again the second step, okay? Take one square of yours, fold it into half, okay? Once you folded it, something like that, right? Like this, right? Now, take one side of the paper and again you have to make it half and fold it outward, okay? Everybody done with this step? You fold the paper into half first, make the square into half, then again take one side and fold it outward into half. Flip the paper. It's like this. Again, fold it outwards. So you got something like that for you, right? Like this. Very good, Bhavish. I can see yours. Very good, Harshvardhan. All of yours I can see. Great work, guys. You're doing wonderful. All right. And once you've reached here, you know, we make Chinese fans just like that, small fold to one side, turn the paper, then one small fold to the opposite side, simultaneously do for the whole thing. All right. Yes, Yutika, I will repeat for you. No problem. Once again, I'll repeat. Whoever is finished, please do the rest to all those other 5 squares also, okay? Take a square. Yutika, this is for you. Samita, you can please message in the, put it in the chat box. I'll read it for you from there. Okay, I'll answer your question. Take your square. Yeah, Samita, if the crease of the fan has to be like, it is, if possible, it would be very beautiful. Like, it will look more nice if the crease is the same. Try to make it the same size, please. Everybody, you have to make the crease of the same size, okay? Let's see. All right. All right. So for Yutika, this is for you, all right? Take a square, fold it into half. Once you've done it into half, take one side of the half, fold, and again make it into half by folding it to the outward side, outside, okay? Like that. Same again. Once you've done like this, flip the paper. So something like that, right? Again, fold it towards the outer side. So you'll get something like this. Okay. Once you've got that, please make fan, right, with the small strip you have. Like fold it inwards, fold it outwards. Dhruti, very good. I hope you made it for all the 5 papers. All the 5 squares should have it. Yutika, are you understanding now? Very good, Ragni. Yes, ma'am. Okay, very good. So I think everybody has understood. So now I'll start working a bit faster, okay? You have to do the same with all the 5. All right? When I do the last square, I will tell it once again, okay? I'll tell the instructions once again, just for the people who might have missed any single small step, okay? For them. Divesh, very good, Divesh. Yes, Divesh, I read your message. Samita, I'll do it for you once again, no problem, okay? I'll wait for you once you guys have come. No problem. Very good, Jigisha. I can see your 5, all 5. This is the last time I'll be explaining the second step. So people who didn't understand can see once again. Okay. Take a square, fold it into half. Okay. And Mimi, you can see all right. Once again, I'll tell you once again. Take a square. Take the square, right? This is the 12 centimeter square that you made. Yes. Then fold it into half. Okay. After that, from one side, again fold it into half towards the outward side. Okay. Once you've done like that, flip it. Okay. Then again you fold it into half to the outside. Okay. Or the opposite side. This much is done. Right. Once you've done this, just make the fan like this. Please. Very good, Advika. I can see yours done. Raheen, very good. All five are done. Sai, very good. Yeah, very good, Ayushman. I can see you doing. All done? Like, I think we can wait for 2 minutes. I think everybody has done very good. All smart students I have. Very good, Aditi. I can see yours. Anusha done. Very good. Swati done. Swati, just put a thumbs up or something that I can see. Ah, very good. Good bits. All right. So all of you have done. Let's go to the next step. Who's saying no? Somebody saying no. Nobody saying no. Okay. We are going to the third step. Okay, now. Okay. Okay. Ravi, you can take your time. No problem. Hassan, Mukti, you can take your time. Sai, Praneeth. Yes. Take your time. Too fast. Okay. A bit more faster. Okay. Okay. So now the third step is, I hope you guys have made all of this. Okay, now same thing we have to do in all the five. So I'll start with this. One side, now listen to me very carefully, okay? All of you should listen very carefully, okay? One of the side will have 3 folds and one only will have 2 this side. See, okay? So one of the side will have only 2 and one side will have 3 papers, okay? Everybody take your one of the paper that you folded, the crease on it, yeah. See, check very carefully. Do not open it. You just check which side it is. Do not open it. Check which side you have 3 sheets and which side you have 2. Again, I will show you. See, for me, this side has 3 papers. Okay? Yes, everybody got it. Okay, Pragna, I can see you got it. Very good. All right. So now very carefully, you have to separate those 3. Okay, like that. Make sure that when you separate it, don't separate it too much, okay? Just little you have to separate it. All those 3 you have to separate. Make sure that when you separate it, you do not spoil the crease or the folds that you've made. Lightly you should separate, okay? Yes. Everybody getting 3, very good. Okay. Everybody got till here? Very good. I can see Advika's hands, thumbs up. Very good. Okay. Everybody separated the 3? Okay. Guys, this is the most important step of the whole thing. So be very careful, okay? Separated all 3? Very good. You know what you have to do? Now look close, clearly. Everybody look here. Yes, once you've separated, using these 2 like sorry, your thumb, your index finger and your middle finger. Take one crease and fold it on the same folds that you made. Okay, that and make it just pinch it once. Same way, using your thumb, index and middle finger of your left hand, fold it like this. Okay, fold it away from all these other two so that it's easy. Okay, so when you make all these three, no, you'll get something like that. Everybody got it? Take your time, no problem. Separate all three like that. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing, to all the others. I'm going to tell again. First, find out which has three side. Okay, one, does this have, let's see, it says 1 and 2, so not this side, right? So we'll check the other side. Oh yes, it has 3. So separate it from each other. One side I separated. Yes, Minshu, you can see. All right, I'll tell once more. When you take it, one side will have only 2 papers here. See, 1 and 2. Right? There is only 2 folds now. There is only 2 folds here. This side will have 3. Okay. You can see, right? So segregate these 3 like that. This step is going to be a bit difficult. So just be careful, all right? To listen to me to this. Okay. Once you've done that, it's something like this, all right? So now, using your thumb, index and middle finger, hold one. Press, press, hold the folds and just make it separated from the middle one. Just pull it a bit, okay? Just pull it a bit like this. You pull it. Don't pull it too much, otherwise it will tear, okay? Just pull it a bit like outside. Once you've got it here, no, there'll be a folding. It's okay. No problem. Just let the fold be there. No problem. Okay. You'll get something like okay. Got the 3? Yes, Pragya. Pragnya, I'll tell it again. Okay. Got this second one. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to do it very slow so that again that you guys can understand how to do it. Okay. Find where your 3 side is there. Okay. See here you have 3 papers segregated with from each other. Okay. Simply segregate it. Done. Mimi, I can't hear you, Mimi, because everybody is on mute, right? So if you have any doubt, you can put it in the chat box, all right? So I'll read it for you if you have any doubt. Once you've segregated all of this, using your thumb, index, and middle finger, just start holding, okay, like this. The first fold, just segregate it from others and hold like that. Okay? Then using this thumb, index, and middle finger of your left hand, start pinching this side paper, okay? And segregate it from the, or move it from the that side of the paper. And just stretch it a bit so that you get weight space. Okay. Got it? Okay. No problem. Once more I'll tell. Okay, people who did not understand. Find out which side has three papers. Okay, like there'll be three papers on one side. Okay, which side I have? All right. For me, it's this side. Okay. So I'm gonna segregate it. Right, one, two, and I got three pages, right? So now using my thumb, index, and middle finger, I will fold it. Anusha, you have joined late, so I cannot start from again. So you can see the whole video in YouTube. Okay, we'll be putting it in YouTube. Okay, so start pinching it and put it, make it a bit far from the main one. Pull it a bit. Thank you, ma'am. I got it. Okay, no problem. Very good. Proud of you guys. Okay. Okay. And just so now somewhere no, there'll be foldings here. It's okay. Their folding should be there. So it's totally fine. Everybody got this? See, I got all three. So somebody saying it's looking like a multiple colorful seaweed and all. Okay. So everybody got it? Very good, I can see. Oh, everybody got your W's. Everybody got? Now, once you've got it, hold on these two sides. Hold on your two sides. Okay, Arush shouldn't get it. This for people who did not get it, I'll tell it to you again once more last time. Okay. This is, did you separate all of it? Everybody separated this, right? Okay. Separated it. Now watch slowly. I'm going to do it very slowly so that you guys can do it along with me. Okay. Once you've separated it, using your three fingers, just hold all of these like that. And with one side, just hold like this on the other side. This much. Take your time, no problem. Aditi, I can see you doing it. Just take it slowly, okay? Take one, fold slowly. It will come, it will come. Just relax, it will come. You got three sides, right? Just fold it slowly. Once you've got it, everybody got this much. Did you hold the last sides? Just pull it from this side. Very good, Radhika. I can see your work. All right. So once this is done, everybody, now next step. Step number 5. Hold. Pull it like upwards. Okay. This side. Outward side. Just pull it. Did you get an M? Yes. Okay. I can see smiles on faces. Okay. So that's one. To make 5, all right. So 1. Get this? Got your W's? Hold on the edges. and upwards. Okay, pull it. Yes, got your M. Okay, Likit, I'll show you once again. This is your W, right? You got like that, right? You took all the three. Hold this one. Hold the side ones and just pull it upward. Pull your arm upward, just put pressure and pull it up. Get M. Again. Three are there. Hold and just, this is tight. Just pull it outward like that. Look at that, I'll show you again, no problem. Okay. Everybody got this much, right? This is the last one. I'm going to show it very slowly to you. This is what you got, right, when you did that to all. Okay. Hold on the edges. Hold on the edges and pull it towards the upside. Yes, very good, Advika. Pull it to the top side. So you press and you pull. Okay, I'm doing again. You press and you pull. Everybody got your M? M or W, whatever you want to say it. Put glue on. Okay, yes. You have to stick all the M's together, okay? All five has to be stuck together. Now, since I took 3 and 2 this side, I have to stick here also. Just keep pressing it so it sticks fast, okay? And all of you got it? All of you stuck? Take your time, no problem. Ma'am, I'm done. Very good, Likit. Press both the M's together. So you have to follow accordingly. Okay? Once you put the glue, just try to spread it evenly so it sticks faster. Okay? Sorry. Okay? Now, take both the ends, stick it. So now I'm going to show you how. This is the last fold, right? Fold of pink, no? This is the last fold of blue. Pinch it together like that. And this is the last fold of the pink one, the last fold of the blue one. Same procedure, pinch it. Okay. Make sure that when you're pressing it, no, you don't spoil the crease. Okay, that you made, the folds that you made, no, just make sure that you don't spoil the folds. Okay. Even if you did, no problem. Just take your folds and fold it again. Everybody done this much? Take your time, no problem. Do slowly only. Just nothing. When you stick all the ends together, just make a round and do this. No problem if you stuck it the other way also. No problem. Whichever way you've stuck it, it's fine. It's totally fine. Just take your time, take slowly, and just fold it. And make sure the last ends that you fold to make the complete circle, make sure that you have pressed them properly so that they stick. Otherwise, it will come out. And not only the last one. In fact, all the M's that you have, wherever you've put glue, right? All the different colors that you've used, just make sure that you press them very nicely. Very good, Sai. Yes, Anusha, I'll help you, no problem. One last time I will try to explain the whole thing, then you can do it at home. Take it on. Okay. How many of you have done this much? Push it outside. Looks beautiful. Very good. Yes. Spurti, I can see yours. See, if you do not glue them properly and if the glue is not stuck, this will come out. So you should be very careful and let it dry. Let it dry. Let it take its time. Thank you, Yutika. Okay. So make sure that it's all dried. All the glue is stuck properly. And then you rotate it. So once you're done, it's going to look like that. Very beautiful, Advika. I can see yours. Very beautiful. See, now one more reason, one more thing. Next time when you make it, so that it should come in the perfect circle, use thin A4 size sheet papers. So, it will become more close. If you're using thick, no, there'll be a big gap in the middle. Very good, Sai. I can see yours. It looks beautiful. Oh, Ritesh and Hansika, very nice, beautiful. Wow, you guys are wonderful. Very nice. Divesh, I can see yours. Very nice. Nitin, did you get it? Thank you, Yukta. Yours will also be very beautiful. You did it? Did yours? Okay. Anusha, got it. It's beautiful, Anusha. Just let it stick properly, Anusha. Just put glue. Just let it let it take some time to stick, okay?